You smell like chili.
Oh, thanks.
Andrew.
Ow, finger.
I have a girl. Hi, Heidi.
Yo. Tell me what you want.
I really. Sorry. Hi, boys. So what do you think, David? It's 2009. What are you gonna do now? Go Disney World.
I'm gonna go to Disney World.
Okay, good. 10.
Well, I'm going to Disneyland.
Hey, Brown, what are you gonna do now? It's
I'm going to
2009.
Disneyland.
Okay, cool.
I said Disneyland. You said Disney World.
Hi, Mom. I'd like to thank my mother.
I'd like to thank my mama and my papa and my
Papa
sister.
Clem.
And Papa Clem. Papa Jean.
Hello.
Grandma Jean, actually. Grandma Jean, rather. Well, everybody else told me her. I don't like
Nice
this camera in
mouth,
my face.
Oh, we have proof too, because it's on video.
And once again, the tornado
Grandma,
has gone through
guess what David said? He called you Papa G.
My crotch.
Why do you always catch me?
Okay.
Why do you always catch me in bad situations,
that was
Grandma?
right, that's
Like with the whole shut up thing?
Grandma, say hi.
What?
Say hi.
I did
David
not.
told her to shut
No,
up.
my parents said that I said that she should
But you
shut
did.
up.
Your parents said that.
The teacher to shut up.
Oh, yes. That's right.
I forgot about
You're a
that.
I
bad kid.
told my teacher to shut up, but it wasn't joking.
Lauren.
No, you weren't.
Lauren,
Yes, it was. Okay,
say
I was a
hello.
little mad.
Say hello to the camera.
I joked. There was a little anger behind it. It wasn't like,
Danielle
shut
Rayday.
up, Miss Wayne. You were pissed.
Danielle Taylor Rayday. David just spit on my arm. That's okay.
He
Ew.
a hug and he wants everything for himself.
Okay. Mood kill.
Good start.
Wow, you guys are really lame right
Alright,
now.
turn it off so I can shoot her. And then you can come back with her dead. This is Danielle after the fact.
I totally just missed your butt.
Hey.
My phone.
Get off. Stop it.